Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life, and hope you are all doing well. So today recipe, as you can see in my thumbnail, is dosa batter, and I will show you today that how I make it at home. Before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification. So in my house, we all like to have a dosa 2 to 3 times a month. So I always keep this batter ready to make anytime. And trust me, you can freeze it this for at least 2 months. So let's proceed. For this recipe, as you can see, you will need 3 cups rice and 1 cup urad dal and 2 tablespoons methi seeds. Wash thoroughly through the water for 2 to 3 times and soak it for about 2 to 3 hours. Take out extra water from that and don't throw that water. We will use it if we need some for to make this dosa batter. And now blitz everything in a blender in a small batches. When you have last batch, then you have to add 1 cup soap poha with that and blitz it nicely together. Now mix batter with spatula and add 2 tablespoon curd and mix it again nicely and cover it with lid, or you can keep it open for a while under the sun to get ferment quickly, or keep it overnight to 24 hours. Here you go. Look at this. Batter is well fermented and now batter is ready to use. You can use this batter to make dosa, idli, uttapam, appe, dokla, anything. Just enjoy. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Till then, see you soon. Take care. Bye. Annyeong.